Hello friends, today we will learn about CX Programmer, which is the Omron PLC's CADAP to Omron PLC tool. So here you can put the control N and create the new program. Here I am giving name here new. Okay, you can select the device type, which is PLC type. Suppose I am selecting CJ2 CJ2M. Now you can go to setting and select your PLC CPU version. Suppose my CPU version is 11. I am selecting it. You can make it default for next time. You can click OK. And network type, you can select the USB or Ethernet. You can go to setting and it will show here. If you network connection, you can give the unit number of PLC. Here you can check the unit number of PLC. Suppose my unit number is 1. I am giving 1. I have given, or IP address is 10. I am giving OK. Now here learning project, you can give comment whatever you want to give, or you can escape it. You can go here from help and find out more about it. Okay, now it's creating a new project. Now you can show the here I have new project. Your section 1. Here is function block. Here you can add the new insert program. Suppose I am inserting ladder and giving it name A1. So it's create another new program. Okay, and it is unsigned. Now here you can add the section. Section 2, or I am giving A2 name. Like that, you can give a insert section, and also you can give a comment to it. Suppose I am giving A3, comment is learn. Okay, A3, like here you can insert section A3. Okay, like here you can add new insert structure tag or SFC. Suppose you are adding SFC. It's taking little bit time, it's not responding. Okay, section, suppose I am adding section. Okay, A1. Okay, as you can see it, now I am going to A1, section 1 going to. Now here you can see that my PLC is offline. Now here from going to here you can click and put the NO contact. Suppose I am giving address 0.00 and on. Okay, giving comment to it. Now I am selecting output coil. Okay, giving address 10.00 or whatever you want to give. Okay, and I am taking a NC contact here, giving address 0.01 and giving it name of. Okay, from here you can select and give out, comment, or whatever you want. Give. Okay, now here you can also give work beat, start work beat. Okay, so suppose I want to start W 10.00. It is work beat, it is internal beat. From here you can go to work online simulator or press the control shift W. I am doing it. Because that does not match, please type CG CPU1 project, simply place type CG. Project PLC type. Okay. can go to change. That's a little bit taking time. Okay, from here you can go and check the simulator or your exit simulator. You can do it now. Here in help you can go to about CS programmer, and you can will find the CX programmer version. Here 9.61 is my CX programmer version which I have downloaded from plcforme.com. Here CX server version is 5.0. Okay, you can go to license and key check the license CD case number, enter here. Okay, it is installed 16 to okay 2020, 1 year ago. Okay, now you can click here and toggle window, and you can simply drag it and put it, and you can see the value of it. Suppose value here, I'm dragging it. This is a watch window. Okay, like that you can cross reference window. You can also open cross reference window from here. Suppose I am using 10.00 is only used here, then it is showing only here. Suppose I am entering C W10.00 and starting a T timer and giving name timer 1 and putting value 100. Okay, now I am going cross reference, then you can see it is used in out and as well as a LD. Okay, you can close it. Okay, change. Okay, it's not responding. So here you can go to here and find the comment here. Suppose I want to give a beat or whatever you want to give the name here beat, and now go to here. Suppose I am typing C 0.02, then it will also take the name and giving out 10.00. It is already used. You can in Omron PLC you can use one output at the one time. You cannot use one output two times. So it's showing warning. So suppose I am giving address 10.01. Okay, and here you can see the memory of the PLC. You need to connect it online and you will find it. Okay, here you can go to PLC setting. Here setting timing icon unit setting. Suppose you are connecting external device, then it will show here. So serial port, suppose, so if your baud rate is, suppose my baud rate is 920, I am selecting format, suppose 81E and hot sleep connection or 232C connection. So okay, I am giving selecting. Okay, peripheral device and pins protection, you can do it. Okay, here you will find the symbol, all the symbol available here, and whatever inbuilt. See, our symbol are on, off, beat, out are here, and these all symbols are inbuilt symbols. For permanent on beat is in Omron PLC is CF113, and I am giving output. Suppose giving instruction move has 0 to D10. Okay, and permanent off is CF114 is permanent off, and I am giving instruction plus binary, okay, plus B100. Okay, so it will not increase like in Omron PLC you can create the counter as well. Suppose I am giving a pulse, you can give a see 0.03, and you can click the right click and differentiate up. Okay, suppose I am giving a here you can also give a C at the rate LD 0.03. Okay, you can see it. I'm giving counter value. Counter instruction is CNT, and suppose I am counter number is 2 and counter value is 100. Okay, so here it is showing error, so we need to reset the counter as well. Suppose I am resetting counter with for 5.00 and giving comment counter reset. Okay, now it's not showing error. Even you can take the CF and CF. Here you will find all the auxiliary. Suppose I am taking a 1 minute clock pulse, then it will start 1 minute, and I am giving it to CN, CNT 5 control and P100. Okay, suppose I am also resetting it with C 5.00 counter reset. Okay, okay, now you can all see that here in go to edit you can cut, paste, address, find if you want to find everything. Suppose I want to find and 10.00 find, then it will show find, it will show address. If you want to comment all string, then you need to on. I am finding on, then it will always on playing whatever one time two time. Here you can wall match, or if even you want to find in PLC, then you can click on PLC. Okay, you can replace as well, and you can add rungs so as a ladder and delete row here, delete column here, IO comment here. Okay, PLC. Here you can go to online mode, transfer and protection. Here I am offline. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.